Yes. Oh man, these are nasty. Holy moly. These are crazy, bro. This is like super luxury. It don't get better than this, y'all. They got the lights right here though. Which one y'all taking? Y'all taking BMW or Mercedes? It might need gas though. Car just cut off. This is one beautiful car. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video today. And we're waiting on them to bring some cars out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We are at Copart. Yep, Copart, the lot. We are at Copart. Anybody can come to Copart. Sometime might be getting questions like that. Can anybody buy cars at Copart? Yeah, you don't have to have a dealer license to buy cars at Copart. It's just you know, like you have to put it in your name and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? Like when you have to get the car registered basically, because they're gonna make you sign the title, you know. So that's how it is. But you can't come and you can't bid on cars. But like, comment, subscribe. I'm waiting for them to bring my cars out. Let's see if they got something else for us in here to check out, and let's get it. What do we have here? We have the new S580, man. Beautiful car these are. Beautiful car, man. Now is like the time where I'm like loving the S classes. Love the S classes now, man. They are super nasty. They had to grow on me. Well, this one never had to grow on me. Dang. This hood, they got light hoods. That hood is very light. Dang. I'm not sure why this got a hole in it, but y'all know a reason why this got a hole in it, let me know in the comments below. But probably something, yeah, why do that got a hole in it? But we see it got front end damage. Oh man, that CV, not the CV axle, tire rods then came off. We got the frame rail bent. Damn. Oh, this whole side. These are some beautiful cars though, let me tell you. Beautiful cars. Wide doors. These doors so freaking wide. Jeez. Oh man, these are nasty. Holy moly. These are crazy, bro. This is like super luxury. It don't get better than this, y'all. Well, maybe it do, but this is one beautiful car. This door not open though. I was trying to get in the front seat, but nasty. Two sunroofs. What year is this one? We got the stuff on the. Yeah, this is 2023, boy. 2023. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. So, y'all seen and now this is not the brand new one, so we can't really compare, but we got the 740E. This must be electric. Yeah, this is the electric one. But we got the 7 Series, big boy BMW. Long door, you feel me? Oh, they got the lights right here though. Which one y'all taking? Y'all taking BMW or Mercedes? We can all agree that Mercedes seats were just going crazy over there, way better, right? But this is the E. So this is a 2018 model here. Double roof. Got the digital screen, 2 screens. Nice. What y'all think about that? I'm going Mercedes though for sure. Even though it's not fair because of the years, but I'm definitely going Mercedes, bro. Both got hit in the front too. That's crazy.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Make sure you go to whdacademy.com if you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at the auction. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money, guys. Here are some testimonials right here, as you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. Click the link in the description below, whdacademy.com.
Okay, and they finally brought out the car that I wanted to see, which is here, the Sonata. Yep, another one. Oh, it look like they put them a backup camera on there. Let's look around it first. Front end damage. Let's see. We got coolant, that's perfect. We got oil. It's dirty in the mug, but we got it. Smell check. Smells like oil, don't look weird or anything like that. Hopefully we got power. If not, air car, what the hell does that mean? Please have power, bro. Please. It look good too. Dang. Yes. Perfect. You may got us. You may have us one. 147 on these miles here. We might have us one, y'all. I know I just had one of these though, but let's see. What the hell's all these wires they got everywhere? Shit, that's still open. What y'all think, man? Another Hyundai? Can't beat the Hyundais, bro. Okay, I guess that's the furthest they go back. Like I say, 147 on the miles. Need some gas in here. Clean too. Let's go back and look at that. Let's go back and look at that front end, because it's got front end damage. So it looks like we might just need like a... Hey, we don't even need another bumper, y'all. We need a headlight. These should be cheap for this car. Should be. I think it bent this as well. It did. That's easy. So we need a headlight, bro. That's it. I'm liking the way this looking right now. 2012. No, we just sold one of these. Fix that. Backup camera. What a backup camera gonna show at though? I think that's what they probably had in here, because they had some type of screen hooked up. Because it got a backup camera on there. What the hell we got in here? Nothing. Alright. See if the AC work. might need gas though. Car just cut off. The car need gas. Dang, as soon as I find a good car, I can't check it out the way I want to. As soon as I find a good car, bro, I'm not able to check it out the way I want to check it out. You might have to risk this one. Everything looks good. It got cooling and stuff, so I don't think it'll be overheating. Let's see what the scanner got for us. But let me see what the scanner got. No lights on the dash. I wanted to move it up and back though, just to see if it was some suspension noise. They ain't gonna put no gas in the car either, y'all. I don't think. It's like an axe. I don't think they're gonna do it though. Damn. Okay. No codes on the scanner though. Unfortunately, I'm not able to. Damn. I should have moved it up and moved it back. But I don't think the hit was like really hard. Let's see if it's something I can put my knee on or something. Let me see. I'll be back with y'all in a second. All right. Car needs some gas. Pretty sure that's what it is, bro. What do I think about it though? Am I gonna take a chance on it? Probably, if it go for decent, because I wasn't able to check it out. I'm gonna do a little research and the best that I can do, research that I can do on there. But yeah, man, it won't crank up, bro. No gas, but we'll see though. We'll see. I need to do the research on it, but I like it. I want it. I don't like that it's not cranking up though. I need some gas, man. I don't think they do that here. I don't know. I could just ask. All right, leaving out of here, and no, they don't put gas in the cars. I just asked, so unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to crank it up. So we could take a chance on it. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all know I don't like doing that, but I'm trying to get a car, man. So I'm gonna see y'all on the next video, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.